Cloves are a popular spice found in almost every kitchen. It is widely known for its strong flavor and aroma that adds depth to dishes. But did you know that cloves are more than just a flavorful addition to your meals? In fact, drinking clove water at night can bring you amazing health benefits that doctors rarely talk about. In this video, we will uncover the top 4 health benefits of clove water at night that can transform your life. So grab your favorite cup and join us as we unveil the secrets of this powerful spice. Number 1. Improved digestion. One of the most surprising benefits of drinking clove water at night is that it can improve your digestive health. Cloves are known to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which help break down food and make it easier for the body to absorb nutrients. This can help alleviate common digestive issues such as bloating, nausea, gas, and indigestion, giving you a comfortable and peaceful night's sleep. Number 2. Stress and anxiety relief. In today's so-called hustle culture, stress and anxiety have become a common part of our lives. However, incorporating clove water in your nighttime routine can help you relax and unwind after a long day. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has calming properties that can soothe your nerves and promote a sense of well-being. Number 3. Boost immunity. Clove is rich in antioxidants that help fight off free radicals and strengthen the immune system. Drinking clove water at night can give your body an extra boost to fight against illnesses and infections. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the body and protect against chronic diseases. With a strong immune system, you can enjoy a healthier life and avoid frequent visits to the doctor. Number 4. Freshen your breath. Sure, there are other ways to improve oral hygiene, like using mouthwash or chewing gum, but did you know that clove water can also freshen your breath? Cloves have natural antibacterial properties that can help kill bacteria in the mouth and prevent bad breath. Simply swishing some clove water in your mouth before bedtime can leave your mouth feeling clean and fresh the next morning. To make a long story short, drinking clove water at night can do wonders for your overall health and well-being. From improving digestion to reducing stress and boosting immunity, this simple drink has a lot to offer.